Hello and welcome back to IT Performance. Today we are doing a Samsung QLED gaming monitor unboxing. This is a new item that I have to go along with my video card. So let's have a look. Let's see what's in here. That is quite a nice looking screen right there. Okay, so there's the monitor. Let's have a look at the back. Let's see what's on the back. So the monitor has two HDMI, one display port, two USB outs, a USB in, a mic in and a mic out, and a headphone jack. Let's put it down like that. Okay, what's in this box? Oh. Okay, so in here we have some sort of VESA bracket. You know what? Oh, there we go. What's that? What's that cable? Bugger. HDMI. I was hoping for a DisplayPort cable. That's alright. So it also comes with a power cable, power adapter, power plug, HDMI cable, a box, and some assembly instructions. Don't do that, or that, or that. What do you mean don't do that, or that, or that? I don't understand.
Okay, so do them up firmly, but do not, I don't like over tightening things like this. Yeah, oh, that makes it look all pretty. Lovely, that does look all pretty. And I assume that is for a VESA mount, so you can use a VESA mount to mount it on your wall or something like that.
Oh, that's nice. as you move it up and down, the orientation of the screen stays the same.
All the way around. Although why you'd have a curved screen swiveled like that, I'm not really sure. I must say, I'm a little bit disappointed that there wasn't something covering the screen. Would have loved to be able to pull the whole off the screen.
Okay, sorry if this is a little bit dark, but it's not the best of light I've got in here, unfortunately. So I haven't turned it on yet. I have an Asus 1440p monitor, which is a 24-inch. I've used it as my main monitor for gaming and stuff. It's only a 60 Hz monitor. I have used it as my main monitor purely because of the resolution. When I watch videos and stuff, things on it, the picture's quite washed out. Whereas the Samsung apparently has got really good picture quality, including HDR. So let's turn it on. Okay, I'm about to turn it on. HDMI 1, no. DisplayPort, yes. Ooh, crikey, that's quite bright. Ooh. 'Cause you light up my life. Gee, crikey, that's a lot brighter. That is a lot brighter than the other one. Now, you won't be able to see this, but that looks so much smoother than what it did on my other monitor, surprisingly enough. Wow. Interestingly enough, the power light goes out when the monitor is on. A courier just knocked on my door with a package for me, which is, I must say, quite heavy. And I do believe I know what it is. If I can get it open. If I can get it open. How does this thing open? Ooh, almost opened my fingers just then. This is a box all the way from, I believe, Slovenia. Okay, thanks for calling. I will see you later. thanks for watching. If you haven't done already, please subscribe. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Now, I know that you probably won't get to see it as well as I will. How do I turn it on? Because you're not how do I turn it on? It has power because I can see the little blue light. Oh, it has a jog button in the back corner. There's a little in the middle of it. Oh, there it is.